Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Uncle Pete from Super Easy Forex, and I hate being late. I'm exactly on time. I said that I would do this video at 2 p.m. Central Time, and so I'm here on time. Thank God for that. So anyway, here's the big news. Tomorrow, let me try to fix this camera a little bit. Sorry, it's swirling around. I don't know why, and that's okay. We'll just leave it. So anyway, you buy these expensive phones with these expensive cameras and it still just does the wrong thing. So give me a second, you guys. Give me one quick second. Give me one quick second. Let me fix this. Let me fix it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so anyway, here's the deal. Lord have mercy, it just want to go where it wants to go. Okay, so the point is that I got a lot of big important news for you guys, so please tune in, hold on tight. I got a lot to say real quick, but here's the deal. First of all, I want to talk about the company that we're donating to this week is UNICEF, and UNICEF stands for the United Children's Fund. So that's where we're making donations this week. So even if you purchase something from us, a portion of your money is going to them, okay? So just want to say that off the top. But let's get into the good stuff. So I've been telling you guys that there's a brand new scanner that we have been working on for months that's going to make everybody's trading a whole lot easier. Okay, a whole lot easier. Give me a second. This camera is warped. But with the scanner, what it's going to be able to do, there we go. With the scanner, what it's going to be able to do, it's going to allow for you to be able to find trades much, much faster, much easier. I am so irritated right now with this. I'm sorry, you guys. Hold on. I am not sure why it's doing that. Okay. All right. So anyway, this new scanner, what it's going to do, is going to allow you to scan the pairs that you want. And here's what's neat about our scanner. We really worked hard on this because a lot of people don't trade the way I do. They trade their own ways. You got scalpers, you got all these different ways of trading. So the new scanner, it's just very, very unique and it's fit for any type of trader out there. Okay. So for an example, and I'll get to this, for an example, let's just say that you're a scalper, you're a swing trader or a day trader, you're working on a new strategy. It really doesn't matter. It will work perfect for you because what happens is that with this new scanner, you'll be able to set it up to send alerts on the pairs that you want, on the time frame you want, and you'll be able to get that going for you. Okay, it's going to make trading a whole lot easier and it's going to take a lot of pressure off of your computer CPU. So for an example, some of you guys, you set alerts on certain pairs. And so, at the bottom, you have to open up all those different tabs. And the more tabs you open, the more you're putting strain on your CPU or your computer. And so it tends to slow it down. But with this scanner, we tried to make it as lightweight as possible so that it's scanning pairs and everything else, and it gives you a lot of room. Now, there's a lot more to it. We're also including, hear me good, we're also including a free indicator. This free indicator is a beast. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let me tell you what it did for me last week. So many of you guys have been following me. You know that I'm a swing trader. I like swing trading, holding my trades for a little while. But last week, I got my butt kicked on a few trades because what happened was there's a lot of political turmoil going on. And so a lot of times, some of the pairs that I anticipate their typical moves, they actually broke outside of those trading zones. So you know how you mark up your charts and you do whatever you want to do, but you know the typical ranges where price action should be and stay contained, make reversals, whatever price it does. No, it just acted a fool because it had nothing to do with the normal price action movements. It was going crazy. So I lost a couple of trades last week. However, with this new indicator, sorry, kicking the camera, with this new indicator and the new strategy, let me fix this for you guys. Give me one quick second. I'm sorry. Y'all my family, so y'all know how it is. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna fix this. Y'all stay tight. Stay tight. Don't go nowhere. Let me fix this. Okay, let me put this back. The devil been busy all week. I was coming out with something, and he typically try to mess with a brother prior to. So anyway, I'll get to my notes. Give me a second. I want to fix this. Make sure I got you guys straight. Okay, go here. Sorry, hold on. I'm coming. Jesus, just hold on tight. and we'll make it right. Give me a second. Okay, that should be better. Well, let me turn it away from the sun. Let's go this way. All right, that should be better. Okay. All right, now we're okay. Okay, so now, sorry about that, you guys. I got to fix this camera. Like I said, the devil been busy. But anyway, we march on anyway. So here's the deal. What happened with me last week, and I'm telling a confession on camera in front of you. So hang tight until the end. I got a lot to tell you guys, so hang tight, okay? So what happened was my usual strategy, because that happens. That is going to happen to you when you're trading. Sometimes the market will do some ridiculous stuff and your normal strategy will not work. The thing that makes you money most of the time, it won't work because the market has changed its behavior due to some economic situations, which were plenty last week that were not on the schedule. It was just, hey, the stimulus package votes still have not come through. The job numbers are still declining. There's just a lot of turmoil. China and the US are just having problems. So it's just turmoil everywhere. So my normal swing strategy wasn't working. But thank God. Did you hear what I said? But thank God I had used my new indicator and the new strategy that I'm going to give to you for free with the scanner. Okay, a new indicator and the new strategy. I'm going to show it to you, teach it to you. And here's what happened. As soon as I switched over to the new indicator and the new strategy, do you know I won 9 trades in a row last week? Sure did. Sure did. I was so excited. And because you got to change your game up. You know, it's just like playing basketball on a basketball court. If you have one defender on you, okay, you play one way. But if you have like a LeBron James defending you, you know, you got to change your game up. You just got to change your game up. And so that's what I did. I changed it up, won 9 in a row. So last week, and I'm not a high volume trader. Many of you guys, you know me. I mean, you know me. You know, I'm not a high volume trader. But when I lost my money, that pissed me off. I'm like, dude, y'all gonna give me back my money, okay? So I had to find a new way to do it. And I used the new indicator and the new strategy, which again, I am going to give to you. No extra cost. It's just gonna be there for you, okay? So anyway, last but not least, there's 2 last points, and I'll let you go and enjoy your Sunday. But 2 things for the affiliates. Many of you guys are affiliates. You've been making thousands of dollars from us every single week, and that's cool. I'm happy for you, everything else. But I got good news. Make sure you're tuning in because guess what? We're going to help you make more money too. See, the deal is when we think about strategies, you guys, we're not only thinking about how to trade and the normal stuff, but we're also thinking about how, in addition to that, we can help people who are struggling around the world to make money. I mean, you know, do you guys know that in the U.S. alone, I don't know about other countries, but in the U.S. alone, there's 30 million plus people who lost their jobs. And based on my reports and many others who are very high, well beyond me, but I follow their work, there is going to be a tsunami of economic collapse all over the place, which people don't see coming. So for me and my team, it is our job to find a way to help you guys make a little bit extra. Okay. So we're going to be talking about that. Now, here's the key. I told you, hang in there. I'm not doing it today. I'm going to hold a special live meeting to show you the scanner, to show you the strategy, to show you the new indicator on tomorrow. Okay, at 9, wait a minute, let me make sure I got it right. Yep, 9 a.m. Central Time. I will record it, but I want as many people to be there live as possible. But when I say as many people, I got to be careful because the last time I did something like this, when we launched Simplicity, we had about 1,000 plus people who tried to get in and a lot of people couldn't get in. I'm telling you ahead of time, if you one of those lag, drag, you know, procrastinators, oh well, because I'm only opening the room for 500 people. Okay, the first 500, whether you're already a part of Super Easy or if you're not, don't matter. I'm going to post a link here in YouTube and I'm going to post a link in our private Telegram groups. The first 500 who gets to come in, you get to see it first. Okay. After that, everybody else will see a recording. I'm giving you fair warning. I don't want to hear, well, you know, my baby mama was screaming at me. You know, I need to go get some diapers. I need to, you know, the ducks outside was flying over my, okay, that's fine. Say what you want to say. But again, I hate procrastination. I cannot stand procrastination. So if you're going to procrastinate, make excuses, that's on you. Again, I'm not saying you can't get the information, but if you want to be in there live with me and then be able to, because I'm going to open it up for question and answer so you can talk directly with me while we're looking at charts together so you can literally see with your own eyeballs everything that I'm talking about, okay? Everything I'm talking about so you can see it for yourself live with me tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central Time. Now, those who are already part of the Super Easy Forex family, you know every Tuesday and Wednesday I'm doing live classes anyway, which is fine. We can kind of go over it, but I'm not going to try to spend as much time breaking down. Only tomorrow is where I'm going to go through step by step how I'm looking at the setups, the new indicator, the new strategy. I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys because, again, I'm going to give you the new indicator and the new strategy along with the dashboard scanner, if you want it. If you don't want it, it's no big deal. No problem, okay? But it's for the first 500 people. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. I am on time. I've been scrambling and running, taking care of business with my wife, but I told you guys that I will be doing my video at 2 p.m. Central Time, and I kept my word. I was not even a minute late because I hate being late, okay? So I kept my word. I gave you all the information. You guys got it. I'll be posting a link in YouTube and in the Telegram group 15 minutes before lunchtime. If you can make it there and be on time, you'll be one of the 500 who will be able to talk to me directly. Okay, now it will be recorded, so you can always look at it later. That's fine. But if you have questions, you want to, with me, that's cool. Be one of the first 500. Okay? All right, you guys. You got the information. Have a great trading week. Talk to you guys tomorrow, those who can make it. Bye.